Hello friends and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you the incredible Intelli Track and DaVinci Resolve 19 and why is it worth it. I'm going to show you a live example on why the older version didn't work and this Intelli Track just makes magic. Let me go straight into the computer and I'm going to show you how it works. Let's go. Right, so I'm gonna go in DaVinci Resolve 19 quickly. This is my clip over here. So I tried using the point tracker before and it didn't work. So I'm gonna show you how you can fix this with the Intelli Track, okay? Right, I'm gonna go quickly to Fusion page over here. Right, Shift, Spacebar, Tracker, add the tracker. Here's my track over here. So I've got the Intelli Track over here, okay? And let me show you why the Intelli Track is so incredible. So if I'm disable the Intelli Track over here right now and I'm going to point, okay? So this is my point over here. Get the point. I'm going to the first frame of the first frame of the clip, okay? I'm gonna go and track his helmet over here. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, just like that, okay? And I'm gonna go to adaptive mode, change it to best match, okay? So I'm gonna use the free version of point 2, okay? The point tracking, the free version, okay? So from here, let me go and track it, okay? I'm gonna go and track forward from this current frame. I've tried it a few times and it didn't work. It's basically, you're losing it. Hopefully this time it's gonna work. I don't know, let's see. Oh, and it lost it. Here it is, you see? Lost it. Right, I'm gonna stop it now. Are you sure you want to do this? Yes, because it was lost. Right, so somewhere here, it was lost. Well, that's a shame. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and disable this one. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go and just reset everything. Intelli Track. Gonna grab it, put it here. Okay, adaptive mode, best match. Okay, track forward. Let's go. It's going well. It's going well. It's going well. My God, this is super fast. Render complete. No way! 19 frames per second. That's absolutely incredible. That's Intelli Track for you. Done in 5 seconds. Well, that's the only feature. That's one feature I would buy the studio version. That's incredible. That's insane how fast it was. And this is not an easy clip where you can track. Wow, Intelli Track, really? I didn't expect that. Wow. That's incredible. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go quickly and add a text. I'm going to go over here and drag this multi-merge just on my workspace. Go and put this one like that and just go and add a text. Grab the text and name our gentleman here. His name is John. Okay, bold text, bold italic. Okay. Now I'm going to go actually to my tracker and go to operation and go to match move. Okay, multi-merge. I'm going to text. I'm going to put the text. We'll go to my first frame over here. Put the text on top just like that. And that's all. If I go to the beginning of the clip, here it is. Our gentleman John is going super fast and super easy. That's actually incredible. I mean, really, I didn't expect that. And if we're going to show you everything in full screen. But actually, that's actually quite tricky. And it's so good. Wow, like honestly, I really didn't expect that. This was using Intelli Track for the first time and I'm sold. Wow. That's incredible. This is how you do it. My God. Now you can say, yes, DaVinci Resolve 19 is worth it only for this. And it's gonna get better and better from here. And the crazy thing is you can go and add more trackers. You can go and add as many trackers as you want. You see 1, 2, and then 3. No way. That's insane. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Wow. And that's all, friends. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it interesting and useful and you got some value out of it. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, consider subscribing, leave me a comment below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care of yourself and happy creation. Bye-bye.